In this video, I will show you how to repair a 2009 Elantra Touring, the front passenger power windows. It wouldn't operate from the switch on the passenger side, but it will work from the main control from the driver side. I'm focused on talking about the difference between making that repair between the Touring and the regular Elantra Sedan. With credit to Techno Moto, all the assemble and disassemble of the door panel you could find from this video from Techn Moto. And I will not repeat all the things that he has done. Credit to him, he motivated me to work on my Elantra Tourings for this repair.